guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there. It's never a dull and boring moment in crypto, finance, or the stock market. That is why I love doing daily market updates. Now today, yes, I'm back, ladies and gentlemen, in the office. I do like to have a little bit of a break these days on the weekends, but I'm still posting up in the community tab and of course on YouTube Shorts and on X and all social media platforms. But there is a lot happening in the world of cryptocurrency, as we all know. XRP ETFs, I've been seeing rumors around that they could be literally approved by the end of March or sometime in March. We'll see how we go. Now, this is a big one I wanted to talk about. Crypto czar David Sachs is apparently going to be making a major announcement this week. I don't know exactly when, but we're going to go through that. If it does, look out because things are going to get absolutely crazy. We've got Crypto.com XRP contracts to launch in 24 hours, which is really bullish. Yes, it's on the spot market, but I believe it's going to be futures contracts, which is awesome. The New York Stock Exchange is proposing rule change to allow Ethereum staking on Grayscale's ETF, which is huge because it's basically what I'm doing in terms of dividend income, but now officially it's going to be with crypto, which is just wild to think about that. World Liberty Financial, this is Trump's strategic reserve, President Trump's. This is very, very bullish. He's still buying and adding to World Liberty Financial, and the SEC accepts Grayscale's application to launch an XRP and Doge ETF as well. So very, very bullish times we're all living in. Let's get into it, guys. I don't want to waste anyone's time. Massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to my channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. Currently sitting at 75,200 subscribers. You guys freaking rock. If you are new to the channel, smash the subscribe button down there and turn on that little bell notification because as you can see right here, I absolutely love documenting my journey with investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and of course, my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this incredible journey. Things are getting crazy in this space. Also, if you can give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through, it would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic when you find, ladies and gentlemen, do that. So I'll wait for you to do that. There it is down there. Thank you very much. You guys rock. Also, little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff, right? I don't want to see anyone get financially hurt. That is why my number one golden rule is I only invest what I can afford to lose. All right, formalities are out of the way. Now, just a quick one. The stock market is closed today for a public holiday of some sort. I can't remember exactly off the top of my head, but it is the 17th of February in the United States, so the market is closed. It is a perfect time for you to grab Money Never Sleeps, my dividend investing book. Okay, it is going to change the way you think about investing and how to grow your money. Yes, there are a lot of books out there. Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. We've got obviously Rob Kiyosaki's book, which again is really incredible. We've got, Tony Robbins, incredible books as well. One Up on Wall Street by Peter Lynch. Some incredible books, honestly. But this one is primarily focused on generating income for yourself, okay? Dividend income. There aren't any books out there that talk about this stuff. Now, again, I've put a lot of years and experience into this from my own personal trial and errors. Go grab yourself a coffee, yes, and a coffee as well. You can read it with a coffee at the wallstreetbullofficial.com. Go grab it. It's the best money you're going to spend. Seriously, it's freaking awesome. So go grab yourself a copy of that and a coffee as well. Anyway, let's get into it, guys. Now, again, I am working very hard at the moment with Austrac. They sent me another email today, as you can see, further acknowledging the application. So, again, I submitted, a 27-page AML and CTF program. There is a lot of regulations going on at the moment in Australia with regards to crypto investing. Again, as I mentioned, if you haven't gone to join the waitlist, go join the waitlist because when I end up eventually getting that approval, things are going to get pretty crazy with this, right? I'm going full steam ahead with this. There are currently 554 people on the wait list, so thank you very much. And a lot of you have donated, so thank you very much as well. You have joined the Founder Circle, so go do that. earncurveinvest.com. Now, things are moving with that as well. There's just so much regulation, guys, and I have to get that in order, so that is happening. Go join up on the website. Now, top altcoins in my portfolio this morning, Casper, Nextra, XPR, Proton. Again, that's different to XRP. It looks like XRP, but it's XPR Proton. Go and have a look at it. Pretty cool project. Instead of using long wallet addresses, basically you can use a username like PayPal, which is pretty cool, right? And TLM, Alien Worlds, it is a gaming token. I'm pretty bullish on that. Crazy. Over 100 years ago, Henry Ford Motor Company, right, put this out. Basically, Ford would replace gold with energy currency and stop wars. This was 100 years ago. There you go. Now, again, the SEC and Ripple case no longer waits as the SEC acknowledged the New York Stock Exchange application to list Grayscale's XRP ETF. I would like to say again, as per my post on the weekend, this would have never happened if Gary Gensler was still the chairman of the SEC. It's crazy. People don't understand. If you are new into cryptos, please let me know in the comments below. I really want to know this because, again, we've been looking at this case for, 4 years now. It's wild to see this application being acknowledged by the Securities and Exchange Commission. Unbelievable. Now, the race is on. Yes, this is Senator Cynthia Lummis. I told you the race was on. It's time for America to win. Abu Dhabi Sovereign Wealth Fund bought $436 million in Bitcoin ETFs. Abu Dhabi's Mubadala, sorry, forgive me if I'm pronouncing that wrong, discloses iShares Bitcoin ETF holdings, which is crazy. And again, yes, the acknowledgement by the SEC is just, that's wild in itself. Anyway, moving on, let's go to CoinMarketCap. Total market cap at the moment is 3.18 trillion. It is down. The market is quiet at the moment. Great time, not financial advice, dollar cost average. $196 billion in volume. Bitcoin's currently trading at $96,071. It is pretty much holding at that level. We're trading sideways at the moment. It's very frustrating. We are all waiting for an announcement from David Sachs and the pro-crypto team in the United States. Bullish. Ethereum's at $2,700 US. XRP's trading at $2.66. Solana's $182. Cardano's at 79 cents. Chainlink is $18. XLM 33 cents. Sui $3.26. Litecoin $125. Hedera's at 21 cents. Very, very nice to see that as well. Keep moving on. Ondo's doing some big things as well. $1.25. Now again, I'm not going to get too much into this. Quant is at $95. I'm still holding on to Quant. I need some water. I've got any water here. Banking coins, guys. XDC as well. One of my favorites, I should say. The water helps, guys. Let's have a look here. Again, XDC is below the top 100, which again is still undervalued in my opinion. Let's see if we can find it. No, can't find it. Okay, anyway, bullish on XDC. Anyway, moving on. Let's get into this. Yes, I have EarnCurve. Go join the waitlist for EarnCurve, guys. I'm not kidding. I did receive an email from Austrac today. Again, going from the crypto side of things first, because I'm pushing forward with that. The Australian Financial Services license is extremely difficult to get a hold of and very expensive. So just letting everyone know that the crypto side of things will be going ahead first, then integrating the US equities, which is stocks, which is the bread and butter. Go read this because you're going to need it. Okay, go get Money Never Sleeps. Seriously, go read it. You're going to love it. Join up on the wait list. You can put your first name, last name, email, and phone number. And of course, if you wish to donate to this, please do that. Anything you do helps me a lot. And for those of you that have joined the Founder Circle, thank you very much. I really appreciate it. All those funds are still there because I'm literally like digging through mountains of paperwork at the moment to get the tick of approval from the regulators, okay? Now, again, yes, I do have the Wall Street Bull University. Go join that as well. Incredible community. Getting into the XRP ETFs, guys, the world of crypto never sleeps. That is, of course, the same thing with Money Never Sleeps. Go get the book. And right now, all eyes are on Ripple's XRP in the past few weeks. A series of major events have ignited excitement, yes, and speculation within the XRP community and beyond for potential ETF approvals and the regulatory shakeups. The landscape is shifting and fast. 100% it is. One of the biggest pieces of news shaking up the XRP market is Grayscale's Investments' recent application for an XRP exchange-traded fund. The SEC has officially acknowledged the application, which is a critical step forward. While this doesn't mean approval is guaranteed, which I think it is anyway, it's just my opinion, it signals that XRP is being taken seriously in the world of institutional finance. Real-world utility. Why does this matter? An ETF would allow traditional investors to gain exposure to XRP without directly holding the token. Okay, it's huge. And again, this could flood the market with institutional capital, which I've been talking about, boosting liquidity and price stability. The mere acknowledgement of the application has already sparked this significant price rally, with XRP jumping over 9% in a single day. There you go. Very, very bullish. Now, this is huge. I wanted to talk about. I'm not going to be too long in this video because it's a pretty quiet day in the markets. But crypto czar David Sachs confirmed the US regulatory bodies, including the SEC and the CFTC, are collaborating on a unified crypto policies while hinting towards major announcements soon. I did see this. I'm not kidding. Now, again, this is crazy, but let's have a look here and have a read of this story. With crypto regulations taking center stage in Washington, concerns of the potential overlap among key policy-making groups are surfacing. The SEC's Crypto Task Force, the CFTC's pilot program, and the Presidential Working Group, which, again, I can't wait for Brad Garlinghouse to be a part of, all have been in action. However, this has led to the question whether too many cooks will spoil the show for crypto regulations. But crypto policy experts said there's nothing much to worry about, adding that these groups are actively coordinating efforts and working collaboratively. For example, crypto czar David Sachs' associate Bo Hines met with Hester Peirce, head of the SEC's Crypto Task Force, and acting CFTC chair Caroline Pham, bullish. At the same time, industry representatives from the Blockchain Association and Digital Chamber of Commerce have also engaged in the task force, topics ranging from ETF staking to stablecoin regulations. Some of these representatives will also participate in the CFTC hosted CEO forum while addressing the issue using tokenized assets right here. There is a big announcement coming in here as well. And again, the Interagency Working Group on Digital Assets is working well together to implement the president's agenda. And Bo Hines is doing a fantastic job as executive director, keeping everyone coordinated. There could be an announcement. Again, confirm the big announcements are coming in the United States. Crypto policy ahead. President Donald Trump signed an executive order last month asking Sachs and his team to review the possibility of a Bitcoin strategic reserve. Since then, the Interagency Working Group has become active on working on different regulatory requirements. There could be an announcement very soon for this. I can't freaking wait. I'm sure the whole world is waiting as well. Crypto.com contracts for XRP to launch in 24 hours. Again, this is pretty cool, guys. The product will be regulated and complement the potential ETF products being pushed for, which is very nice. Now, this is crazy. And asset manager Grayscale plans to introduce staking to its spot Ether ETFs, but says it will not guarantee or promote any specific level of returns to investors. So basically earning income from your Ethereum. I would love to see that on other proof of stake networks. Just saying. President Donald Trump, again, is buying up big with crypto assets, which is pretty crazy to think about that. They spent $1.41 million US dollars on USDC. They bought Move. They bought Wrapped Bitcoin, Ethereum. Let's have a look here. Aave as well. Spent 5 million USDC on lending on Aave V3. There's a lot of people behind this, but it's fascinating to see what's going on there. Sorry, guys, that cough is hitting me hard, to be honest. And that is pretty much it, guys. Now, moving on, net inflow. Let's have a look here. Money going into Aave. That's interesting. We do have Bitcoin, USD. Let's have a look at Ethereum. Sorry, Bitcoin, Solana, Ondo, Rune, Arbitrum right here. Let's have a look. What else? TRX. Again, it's pretty quiet at the moment in the markets. Now, quick look at X, then we'll end up on here. Thank you to those 7,759 people. You guys freaking rock. Let's have a listen to David Sachs. Actually, I want to end on this because there's not much else to talk about. Other than, sorry, I should say before we get into this, FTX is apparently repaying its customers. Again, that is a lot of money right there. $18 billion will flow into Bitcoin and altcoins. This is massive. Let's see what happens with that. Now, let's have a listen to David Sachs.
The store of value and the way, perhaps hedge against inflation in various currencies. What do you see as the real value and the reason why the United States government should be paying so much attention to it?
Well, I think there's a few different aspects here when you're talking about digital aspects. So first of all, you got Bitcoin. It was the first digital currency, and it's the original. It's the strongest one. In the parlance of the industry, it's the most lindy, meaning it's been around for over a dozen years now. No one's ever hacked it. No one's ever cracked the security around it. And so it is an excellent store of value. So that would be point number one. Bitcoin is run on, as you know, a blockchain. It's basically a distributed ledger, which is essentially a form of decentralized computing. And that platform can be used to create a lot of other types of products. And so that would be sort of technology area number two, is all the innovation that can be built on top of blockchains. And then I would say a third area that's very interesting is stablecoins. And this is an area that has already taken off, but mostly offshore. We want to bring that innovation onshore. We want to enable legislation to allow the issuance of stablecoins in the United States. And I think the power of stablecoins is that it could extend the dollar's dominance internationally, extend it online, digitally, and create potentially trillions of dollars of new demand for our U.S. treasuries, which could help support our debt and bring down long-term interest rates. So I think these are all three very exciting areas of digital asset technology.
That is incredibly bullish. Let's see what happens this week, ladies and gentlemen. It's going to be absolutely incredible to see what comes. And the fear and greed index is sitting at neutral 51 at the moment. Whales are buying up big. Now, again, tomorrow is also the Reserve Bank's decision to whether or not they're going to cut interest rates here in Australia. Let's see what happens, but I think they may hold. I don't know. We'll see what happens, but I really do hope the Reserve Bank does cut those interest rates. Even a quarter, like 25 basis points would be enough. But anyway, let's see what happens. Anyway, go get the book. Money Never Sleeps. All right, that's very important. Go grab yourself a copy of it. I'll link it below. Go join Earn Curve Invest. And I'm off. Going to rest tonight. Absolutely wrecked from the weekend. But anyway, take care, guys. I'll speak to you soon, all right? Stay safe. Have a good night, good afternoon, and a good morning. And if it's morning, have an espresso. Peace out, bulls. Take care. Bye.